Hi, if you're really excited about your freedom, right away I wanted to put it on the comment section, the freedom, so that I can make out you're just starting this journey. Okay, I mean it. Just pause the right now or scrolling right now. Just put the freedom there. Yes, thank you so much, Shanak. If you have been working hard every single day, at the same time, if you really ever felt feeling stuck in some financial loop there, and like most of the people, they have like unpredictable income. They're not able to give the quality time to themselves and the same to the family, and at the same time they'll be keep postponing their dreams or ideas from years together. Okay, then this video is for them. If you're able to relate this, definitely this video is for you. Like, because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you like how you can really have a completely transform your ideas into reality, and what kind of mindset is needed, how you can really the business you can own, how we can really have a system driven business, that will like interesting, like how you can really build your own predictable income in the next 90 days. And mind you, this is not one more theory or the live workshop. This is entirely different, and it's not like a get rich quick scheme there. Okay, it's a proven step by step the freedom system where it is going to help you to build your own predictable income in the next 90 days there. So before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Sharan Bagodi. People recognize me as a Freedom Architect mentor, and I'm the founder of SAB Freedom Success Academy. I'm in the momentum to create that freedom revolution. Okay, my mission is only one thing. Like, I want to set people, millions of people to become free. That's it, by owning their own business. Like, I know exactly what it feels to start something as an extra side business while working hours, or like in the during one more business hours normally, and at the same time I know like with a lot of juggling responsibility how it can really sink our dreams there, and still worrying about month end, like about our finances. But the moment when I discovered about this business model, I just combine this mindset mastery and digital ecosystem, and at the same time, like how you can really leverage your time and effort there. Everything is changed. So today, I help people to create like the same business runs on the system, not on the stress. At the same time, you should really meet your life purpose there. So you can, so that you can really live your own term there. Hope you can really relate with me. If you're really relating, like just if you can relate with me, RTM, just relate with him. I can relate with me. Okay, just I want to just put it in the comment section there. And like, why most people get stuck? I know like most of the people. Like, before getting into the details about the boot camp, now I want to really share with you like exactly what makes people to stop them to get that freedom. I know like it's not like that they are not capable, they are not potential. The only one thing is like few some invisible freedom barriers that always make them to stop them to take that actions. Like, which I want to mention it out. Number one, fear of failure. If somebody want to start something, always this fear of failure. What if it doesn't work? That's what they've been stuck there. So this fear of failure, I know like a lot of dreams has been taken out, like synced. To overcome that, I have some masters. Like, you need to really rewire your mindset and belief system. That's going to be help you to like I'm going to help you to deep dive in that during that boot camp. How you can really have that, like how we can really overcome this fear of failure, and one more like fear of rejections. Most of the time, people they've been stuck there, and I have a solution for that. We are going to deep dive together in that boot camp. Second thing is like one more thing, like confusion. Like, I know like today we are in the digital era, we have a lot of informations filled up with a lot of ideas there, but end of the day there is no clarity. And I don't know, maybe you can relate, like many times you've been even it happened to me, something when we wanted to watch it for 30-60 seconds, we'll be spent more than 2 hours. It could be in scrolling in Netflix, even Amazon, wherever. Like, how it happened, it's only because of a lot of information there out there. Only thing is you need a super clarity to start your freedom journey there. And third thing is a lack of skills. Especially when it comes to the skills, I strongly believe that everything is learnable actually. Until unless if you're not committed to learn, things going to be changed. You have to commit for learning. Like, most of the people in the business, why they want to jump into the business? Normally because they've been stuck up with like they don't have skill about like how to sell the product, or like they don't know how to build that team, or maybe they don't know like how to present the product, or maybe they lack up some digital skills there. That's what, these are all things learnable. Unless if you're not thinking in this terminology, in this term, you cannot make it out. And the fourth one, it's one of the biggest invisible freedom barrier which I'm talking today. Many people, they've been always trying to do single. They want to build their own like single. Like I've been seeing even in the small business owners or independent distributors, they want to do their own terms. Normally it don't happen. When you want to have a bigger success there, you need to have your own team there actually. The bigger the team, the bigger the money normally. The bigger the people you help, or the more the number of people you help, the more the money you get there. That's what the simple formula about all this financial freedom. Hope you can really relate all this invisible freedom barriers. I don't know like how many you can really rate out of 4 or 5 things. What are like these invisible barriers if it's really taken over freedom means? I want to really understand from you, like out of 5, how many invisible freedom barriers really stopped you to start something new? In my case, all the things are there when I was starting, before starting my journey there. Now I've been overcome because of all. I've been just like I understood like one thing is like there is a way out to overcome this. Okay, that's how I've been created something that gives you super clarity, super confidence. At the same time, you can have a clear roadmap to have that predictable income in next 90 days. Like I may officially inviting you to really come and deep dive in my 3 days intensive Freedom Business Bootcamp, which has been designed to transform your mindset at the same time to business, and how we can really set up your system there. And end of the day, you will like have that predictable income for the next 90 days. Like I know like most of things you'll have a, like what is in it for me, like right? So like 100% like we're all coming into this 3 days boot camp. Like mind you, this is not another workshop or the live theory there. This is a total 3 days transformation experience where I want to really, along with the learning, I want to really execute the same thing. I want to really get the some results there. That the combination of mindset, the business model, and the system setup which has been designed to help you to get that freedom business. Like by end of the boot camp, I can mark my words, you will walk out, you'll be discovered your own the model of like the profitable business that aligns with your vision. Second thing is you've been learned about like how to attract or how to build your own team there. And during that boot camp, I will help you to through your actions to get your like kind of business partners who can really align with your vision there. Third thing is I can help you to like set up your own system, digital ecosystem where you can really start running this business on like auto run from the day one there. At the same time, like I can give you like a complete roadmap, like the blueprint there, which is going to help you to like you can really predict from day 1 to day 90 what are things starts to be done, how we can really have that predictable income for next 90 days. So you just imagine yourself the moment when you wake up in the morning, will wake up with super clarity, you have some confidence, and you have your own business, and you have you start building your own income and controlling the time. So that's feel great, right? If you're really excited about this, you just put it in the comment section, I'm excited. So before getting into like day wise details, I just want to see your comment in the comment section. You just put it there, I'm excited. Now like let me take you like overall like a bootcamp overview, like day wise. Just I want to help you to understand like how it will be. Day 1 I'm going to talk about strategy, day 3 about the skill, day 3 about the system. Day 1 strategy, which covers about like how we can really rewire your mindset, and I'm going to help you to have some self discovery master formulas there. You can really like how you can really utilize your own potential to achieve freedom there. Okay, at the same time I have some like freedom triangle strategy where I can help you to like talk about mindset, about the model of the business, at the same time how you can really own your money making machines that runs on the auto system there. Okay, Second thing is, I know like a moment when you discover about your potential and business, your lack, the moment when you lack of skills, definitely that cannot run. That's how I've been designed in the such a way like that. Entire in the industry, what are the top 10 skills which are helping to people to become a free? How they are really building their predictable income? Those top 10 skills which I'm going to like deep dive in during the day too. Mind you, like for example, you don't know how to set up your system there, that's going to help you to system there, and you don't know like how to communicate with your business partners there, that I'm going to share with you, like how to like you don't know how to approach to the market. So those all things will be get addressed. These are all related to with the skills that we are going to deep dive in the day to there. And you have some live challenges there, you can really have some practical implementations, and I'm sure that you'll be having that wow factor, because the whatever the template or blueprint which I'm going to show with you, that gives you the results then and there itself. It's not like again tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Hope you are really excited about skill, right? Third day, I'm talking about the system, the system which I'm talking about, the Freedom Fast Track system, where people been chased for more than 5 years, 10 years. That I'm going to help you to set it up for 12 months, or maybe it could be around 18 or 36 max. That's what I click. So you will have that wow factor, like how this Freedom Fast Track system can help you to achieve 1 crore wealth in 12 months. That's what actually I'm going to share you all the nuggets around a 12 freedom formula nuggets, which I'm going to share in third day there. So these are like day wise the brief view which I'm shared with you. If you're really excited about all these 3 days, you just put it in the comment section that excited for all 3 days. Excited for all 3 days. Just put it like EF3, like exit for 3 days, right? Like so if you're ready to stop working right now hard, and you won't really thinking for to like how we can become a smart working, okay, if you really want to become a smart business partner there, then this is for you. This bootcamp is for you. Really, if you want to do, if you're really serious and committed to build your predictable income for next 90 days, okay, by attending the 3 days boot camp, definitely like that was the interesting is without quitting your job and losing your pace. That's how like I kept this boot camp to help you, or people like you, like I've been intentionally I kept from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Okay, so I know like what exactly it takes, like working long hours at the same time with a lot of that juggling responsibilities, how it will really sink our dreams there. That's why I've been intentionally I kept it on 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. there for all 3 days. Okay, now it's your time to build a business that works for you. Okay, and the real life happens there, the real transformation happens there. Just click on the link below without wasting your time, and the time is right now to get into your freedom journey there. And I know like during this boot camp I want to really take with a very limited number of people. Reason behind, because I don't want to work with the mass people. I want to work with very limited people who are really very serious and committed to build their predictable income in next 90 days by owning their freedom business model there. And people who believe in that learning, people who believe in the mentorship, people who believe in the trainings, those people kind of people I'm really looking after in this boot camp there. And mind you, like if you're the person, if you're really waiting for some get rich quick scheme, and you won't believe in the system, if you won't believe in the learnings, mean then this boot camp is not for you. Okay, I know like finally I want to really conclude. Before that, make sure you are in the live boot camp and make this 2025 almost you are in the end phase. Uh, make the best, give that gift of freedom for this 2025, and start your real freedom journey there. And mind you, like again, the freedom is not found outside there. It's always, it's there inside. You need to just bring it out, and it's always built on the system. It won't happen in overnight there. Let's come see you in the boot camp. Let's build freedom together, and I'm on a mission to bring that freedom momentum revelation for entire this industry. Thank you so much. Live, if you really took that actions, I want to see in the comment sections, you know, in the beginning you have been commented you are excited about the freedom there. Till if you're there end of this video, just put in the comment section I'm ready for freedom, so that I can make out you're already registered in the boot camp, so that I'm eagerly excited to meet you in that live bootcamp there. Thank you so much. Thank you. And don't forget, like once you get registered, in the thank you page, like you will get some like how you are, like some preparations. The real freedom journey begins. No, need not to wait for day one. The real freedom begins right away. After like registering, you get in thank you page like how to be prepared to get your that freedom. Don't forget to watch out that video and see you in the live bootcamp. Thank you so much. Let's build together that freedom. Thank you so much.